Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your biology teacher Absinam. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will explain you the chapter, the unit 1.9 Fish, Amphibia and Reptiles. So you can easily solve the worksheets by this unit. So let's start. Okay. The first part is fish. Fish have features which make them perfectly adapted for life in water. They have a streamlined shape, are covered with overlapping scales, breathe through gills and move using fins. Fish such as sharks have a skeleton of gristle, which is cartilage, but the majority of fish have a skeleton of bone. Bony fish like cod and haddock are weightless in water because they are bordered by an air-filled space in their bodies called a swim bladder. Okay, so let us draw a fish. Okay, Hilsha fish. This is the tail, the mouth, the eye, the gill slits and scales. Okay, these are the fins. Okay, water, some bubbles. Haha. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what they said, a fish has what? A streamlined shape. This shape, this smooth shape is called what? A streamlined shape. Why do they need a streamlined shape? Because of this streamlined shape, they can easily streamlined shape. Because of this streamlined shape, they can easily swim through what? Water. Okay, so this streamlined shape give them or help them to swim through water easily. They have overlapping scales. See this overlapping scales. They have overlapping scales. They have gill slits by which they breathe. And what other thing? Oh, they have a swim bladder. Here it is. Just here. Okay, this swim bladder this swim bladder is filled up with air. Why? Because this swim bladder is filled up with air, which helps them to being floated in the water so that they don't drown inside the water. So these are some basic characteristics of a fish. They have a streamlined shape, they have a swim bladder, the important one. These two are mainly the important one. They can easily swim through the water. They have this streamlined shape, this swim bladder, and the overlapping scales. Okay, the overlapping scales. We never imagine a fish like this before, right? So yeah, as we are in class 6 now, so these are the important things that we need to know about a fish: streamlined body shape, the swim bladder, and the overlapping scales. Okay, a beautiful fish. Very good. So you can solve this diagram, right? What is this? This is the dorsal fin. You can also have this diagram, like you have this diagram in your book, so you can take help from the book. Okay, this is what the upper one is: dorsal fin, and this is the eye, the mouth, the gill slits, and this one, the front fin, is known as pelvic fin, and this one is known as pectoral fins. Okay, this is the tail fin. This line, can you see this smooth line here? Yeah, this line is the scale, and the last one is what? Anal fin. It is near about the anus. It is near the anus. That's why it is known as anal fin. Okay, so you can easily label this diagram. You can take help from your book, no problem. Now, second part, amphibia. These animals include frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. They have moist skin without scales. Note this. They can live underwater, breathing through their skin, but when on land, they breathe with lungs. They lay their eggs in water, and these hatch into larvae called tadpoles, which breathe with gills and swim with a tail. So, tell me some of the name of amphibia. Frog. Frog is the basic common example. Okay, so let me show you a picture how they, like, how is their life cycle. Okay, see, here is a frog. The frog is the frog lay their eggs and then becomes tadpole to what, a young frog, and then a adult frog. So this is their life cycle. Frog also live in water, but when they lay their eggs, they come out of the water, or they even sometimes lay their eggs in water. Okay, so frog, when they are in the water, they breathe with their skin, but when they are on land, they breathe with their lungs. Now the third part, reptiles. Reptiles have a dry scaly skin. Even the types which live in water breathe with lungs. Reptile eggs do not have to be laid in water because they have tough leathery coverings which stop them drying up. The eggs do not hatch into larvae but into small versions of their parents. The easiest example is a what? Crocodile. See, here we have a life cycle of an alligator. What? The adult alligator lay alligator eggs on the land, then it becomes or hatch into baby alligator, and finally it grown up to an adult alligator again. So this is a very small lifespan of an alligator, this simple life cycle. So we can easily differentiate between an amphibian and a reptile. Amphibians who live underwater breathe with their skin, and when they are on land they breathe with lungs. And what are reptiles? Reptiles have a dry scaly skin just like the alligator. Okay, and they lay their eggs in water. Do not lay their eggs in water. This picture, this fish, see, I told you you have this diagram in your book, so you can take help from this diagram and solve the worksheet. So that's all for today. Thank you. Hope you all are safe and sound. Please stay home. Inshallah, we all will meet soon. Allah Hafiz.